Hi, I'm here with Ralph at Bovella's Pastry Shop in downtown Westfield. Hi, Ralph.
How you doing?
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your business?
Yes, I started when I was 16 years old, and I pretty much worked my way up the ladder. 20 years later, I ended up buying Bovella's.
So this is a full-service pastry shop. You seem to make everything here. Can you tell me how it's done?
Yeah, everything's made on premise here. We do cookies, cakes, and pastries. We're known for our fresh cannolis. We also ship cookies nationwide.
And I believe you do wedding cakes as well. Is that true?
Yes, we do. The bride can come here, have a cake tasting, and pick whatever they want.
So if you're looking for special pastries for those special events, please come to Bovella's. It's located at 101 East Broad Street in downtown Westfield.